So that text object, maybe we'll scale it up a bit to something like that. Bring it forward just a bit there. So if I now go and switch on not sure what that alarm is about, maybe I should check it out. I don't know if you've just heard that, but I just received a presidential alert. Did you see that? This is awesome. I've never had this before. This is kind of crazy. This is a test message. This is like, I feel like I'm working for the Dharma Initiative here. That is amazing. So yeah, this is a presidential, it says presidential alert. This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. No action is needed. Ooh, there's my old iPhone 6s Plus with 1% on the charge. It has still displayed that message. So ooh, presidential alert received, Capum. There we go. We do apologize for the interruption in this program. Let's go back to the replicator system in Blender. So if I head over